this is a feed roll. This comes with the HP cutter. This allows you to run longer runs on the cutter accurately. I actually use this, and I recommend using it, even when you're doing a sheet. So what I have on the printer now is a sheet, but I would still put this onto the feed rollers in the back and then have the media go up and over this, even if it's not attached to this. I usually just put this on the back of the cutter and leave it there. And then if I were to be running a longer run, I would put it onto the take-up roll on the printer and then put this core on these two end caps, and then in the back of the cutter there's two little ridges that these go right into. Effectively, it locks everything in place, and that's very helpful, especially for long runs. Now, the accuracy of this cutter is exceptional. It is capable of doing 130 square feet, or 26 linear feet, accurately to within 1 millimeter. And if I were to do 26 linear feet run on any of these cutters, I would definitely use a take-up roll. Now, some media performs a little better in the basket when it's coming in because it kind of folds on itself nicely, and that's really more of a liner issue. But on the right material, like let's say a 3M IJ40, you can print onto the take-up roll and then run 26 feet, 26 linear feet with 1 millimeter degree of accuracy, which is excellent. Now, if you need more accuracy than that, obviously you can tighten that up a little bit, but we feel that you can run very long runs with the take-up roll. In this case, it would become the feed roll because it's a take-up on the printer and then a feed onto the cutter with a great deal of accuracy. And then, as a best practice, I just leave a full-width core on there and then even have my sheets go up and over it because I think it improves the angle at which the media comes into the cutter. So that is the second part that I want to emphasize about running, using these feed systems, and then also the general accuracy of the cutter, which is really an exceptional accuracy. It's one of the great virtues of our cutters.